The packaging adopts a technical, almost industrial design language. Grid layouts, schematic-style illustrations, and bold typography, which immediately communicates a focus on engineering rather than lifestyle marketing. Inside the box, the presentation is orderly and minimal. You receive the stand itself, a magnetic ring adapter for non-MagSafe devices, and a printed instruction manual. Lifting the stand out of the box, the first tactile impression is decisive. This is not a lightweight plastic accessory attempting to imitate premium materials. The cold, dense feel of CNC machined aluminum is immediately apparent, setting expectations for durability and long-term stability. The defining characteristic of the Peakzooc stand is its CNC machined aluminum construction, finished with anodization that not only enhances corrosion resistance, but also contributes to its refined, matte aesthetic. The unit I tested, in its distinctive purple finish with contrasting green arm elements, leans into a slightly industrial, cyber-inspired visual identity, unusual but undeniably striking. Each joint provides controlled resistance, allowing for precise angle adjustments without the looseness often associated with cheaper hinges. The X-shaped base deserves particular attention. Wide, low, and thoughtfully weighted, it creates a low center of gravity that significantly improves stability. In practical terms, this means the stand remains planted even during aggressive. In daily use, the Peakzooc stand reveals its strengths most clearly through consistency. Whether positioned on a desk, kitchen counter, or bedside table, it behaves predictably and reliably. For video calls, the adjustable height and tilt allow you to position the phone at eye level without improvisation. During media consumption, switching between portrait and landscape is frictionless, with the magnetic mount enabling quick reorientation. One subtle but important observation is how the stand handles interaction forces. The stand remains anchored, which significantly improves usability in real-world scenarios. The Peakzooc MagSafe phone stand is a product that prioritizes structural integrity and user experience over superficial refinement. It does not attempt to compete on price or minimalism. Instead, it offers a well-executed combination of CNC machine construction, stable base geometry, and genuinely useful adjustability. In practical terms, it solves a common problem: unstable, imprecise phone stands, with a deliberate, engineering-driven approach. The result is an accessory that feels dependable in everyday use, capable of maintaining position, stability, and